Hello guys, and welcome to a new video on the golf. So in this video I will be welding up these rear plugs. As you can see, I've done some cutting already. Cut these ones out. This one was completely gone. It was so rusted. This one was bad. The reason I had to cut this square here was it was very weak. So I cut that out. I have new metal shaped. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the underside, clean all the undercoating off, and clean the top here, sink spray it, and then get ready for tacking the metal in place. Now, if you're doing this, be aware that there are fuel lines running through here. So you will have to make sure that you unclip those fuel lines. That's why I have a jack stand in here. I have the fuel lines. Let's see if we can show this. There, those are the fuel lines. I then connected to that jack stand. So the jack stand holds the fuel lines downwards. So yeah, make sure you do that. And here, through this rail right here, there are two brake lines going to the rear brakes. So make sure you also unhook those and put them in a safe place. I will be cutting these out as well. I will most likely be doing that off camera. I hope you guys get the idea how to do this. You basically just mark on the outside with a pencil and then mark out where you want to cut it out, and then clean it, and then remake some new metal. Just shape it, cut it to what you need it to be. So yeah, I will get back to you guys once I've cleaned this up and tacked the metal into place. So I've been doing a bit of work. I did that side, forgot to film a lot, but also did the driver front side, as you can see. I left the middle plugs in place because they go over a chassis rail, and there's no point of removing them because they usually never rust. So I'm gonna grind down these welds, of course, and also filled up that. It was pretty eaten away, so I just filled it up with weld. And now I'm working on this side. And as you can see, this one has really had its day in the sun. I just poked my screwdriver straight through that, so yeah, there's really nothing left of that one. And yeah, so this one goes over the little compartment. So if you're gonna be doing this job yourself, make sure to be very careful with this plug and the outer plug up there. They go over a small compartment, so make sure to remove all of the chassis wax that's inside there. Here's the other one that goes straight through. So now it started fucking snowing. Well, so yeah, I'll get back to you guys once I've cut these last plugs out. And yeah, alright guys, so as you can see, I have skipped forward in time a bit. I've gotten the passenger floor panel welded. Same with the driver side. I have ground all the welds flat on this side. I'm going to do the same on that one. And now sink sprayed. So I'm going to use some, after I cleaned all this mess up, I'm going to use some seam sealer or chassis glue, whatever you want to call it, to seal everything up. So I'm going to show you what it looks like outside. So as you can see, put on a jack stand. Hope you guys can see there. And also up here are welded. So yeah, I'll see you guys once I've done the same on that side and seam sealed everything. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've jumped forward quite a bit. I think the last time I recorded something here was when I was going to grind down the floor pan out there. I did that, put seam sealer on it, and here as well, underneath, undercoated, seam sealed everything. I primed and painted inside, and I put clear coat on to protect the paint. Put the ABS cables up, routed all the cables back, put the connectors or the clips back in their places. As you can see, put the sound insulation. Just gluing on the foam pads that go here and there. There's 3 that go back here. I have to glue on. This one is done now, so I can just finish that up. So yeah, that's what I've done here. Reassemble the trunk, put air in the spare tire. It was actually at 0, so there was no air in the spare tire. So put air in it, put the toolkit in. So next I think I'm going to put the cover on the back here, and then put the sound insulation here. I had to glue 2 pieces on it, which had fallen off. And then I'm gonna start putting the carpet back in. So I'll see you guys once the carpet and the rear cover here is in place. So as you can see, got the first seat installed. Still needs a bit of a cleaning here, as you can clearly see. The sliders were greased up because they were completely seized when I got this car. And yeah, got it installed all by myself here. So I steam cleaned the seats a bit. Still needs a bit of a cleaning with some turtle wax extreme textile clean. But next I will need to install a passenger seat. But of course I ran out of grease, so yeah, have to go and get some more, because those sliders were completely seized when I got this car. And also fixed the shifter. It was completely seized as well. So if you took it to the right, it would stay like this, and if you took it to the left, it would stay like it. It wouldn't spring back. But now it works just like an height shifter should do. Clean a bit of the interior as well. So I have to fix this, because someone who has worked on this car before has used a screwdriver to pry the light switch out. So I'll have to fix that. Yeah. Also got a new radio installed as well, so that's good. And yeah, see you guys once I've gotten the passenger seat in. So I've started installing the rear seats, got the passenger seat in place. The rear seats are held on by clips, which are down here. So you just take a screwdriver on that white clip there, and you just push it open, and you can drag the seat out. And back here, see there's some Allen key, some Allen bolts. You remove them, and then you can take the seat back out. There are 4 Allen bolts. The rear seat, same clip on the other side. On the front, on the lower portions, there are 2 Allen bolts on either side. And yeah, so I'll get back when I've installed the last seat. Yeah, that's the rear seats installed. So I will get the floor mats in soon, but that was the floor welding project complete. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.